Hello everyone and welcome to another stream. Hello everyone and welcome to another stream. How's it going? Hello everyone. This stream is not going to be something that I'm gonna build something in, most likely. I'm working on a talk, so I need to draft the talk, I need to work on it. So this is gonna be just a focus stream. And the idea, and I'm experimenting with this kind of stream so I can actually see if we can focus together, if we can work on something together for a limited amount of time. And then once we are done, we can take a break and then we can have question answers, we can have a chat around that. So this is what's going to be today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a timer and then we'll take it from there. So right now I'm working on the NX talk. I think it's going to take 1 hour, hopefully, at max. And it should be done then. Let me also quickly do this, copy link address. Where's my focus? Pomodoro chat, browser source. Let's see, alert, Pomodoro clock. And there we go. Let's move this guy right here. Maybe we can crop it. Filters, crop pad. Oops. Top 0, bottom 400. No, 350. There we go. And let's refresh the browser source as well. That's the same. Cool. Refresh cache of the current page. Cool. मैच नहीं देख रहे हैं? नहीं यार, मैं मैचेस नहीं देखता. अच्छा है नहीं देख रहे. क्या हो रहा है बता दो यार. अब इंटरेस्ट बढ़ा ही दिया तो. Alright. I've set up authentication, but when I run a test which mocks the authentication principal is null. But it is not null when I access the auth through security context holder. I have no clue because I am not an expert in Spring Boot, but if it's null, I'm assuming either the dependencies is not mocked or the security context holder through which you try to get it, maybe that's not correct. Pakistan 180 per 7 out. Allah khair kare. I'm gonna be right back यार. ये मैंने दो शर्ट्स पहनी है, if you can see. और अब इस कमरे में मुझे गर्मी लग रही है और बाहर सर्दी हो रही है अच्छी खासी. तो I'm gonna come back. मैं मेरे ख्याल से 2 से 1 शर्ट कर दूँगा. But then we'll be focusing और फिर focused work करेंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला. But HIV, I'm not the expert, but what you can do is, if you can, I mean, I know one of the people from my office who is a Spring Boot expert, but I'm really not sure if I can help with that. You can try on the Discord that we have. You can go to CodewithAhsan.dev/Discord and you should be able to get help there, hopefully. I'm going to be right back. Okay, much better. All right, let's start the focus time. Or I'm gonna also add one little thing as well. Give me 1 second. It's chatting. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, I'm on no widgets. We can add it here. Change the question. Uh, oh, in some spaces. Cool. Can we put them here? Yeah. Awesome. That's good. Headphone कौन सा है? Setup specs. You can look at it at codewithahsan.dev/gear GEAR. मैं लिंक शेयर कर देता हूँ चैट के अंदर. बट हेडफोन जो है वो है स्टील सीरीज ऑक्टिस प्रो वायरलेस, जो सेकंड लास्ट जनरेशन है वायरलेस प्रो वाली. आई थिंक जो लेटेस्ट है वो है आर्क्टिस नोवा प्रो, बट आई एम यूजिंग स्टील सीरीज ऑक्टिस प्रो. उसके अलावा मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स जो है वो आपको यहाँ पे इंशाल्लाह मिल जाएगी. आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड चैट. वेयर आर यू चैट? देयर यू आर. कूल. और लेट्स ऐड दैट. तो यहाँ पे यू शुड बी एबल टू फाइंड इट. Is the page live? Is the page working as well? Because I don't see anyone on Facebook. Let's see. No, it doesn't. Interesting. Sending data. It doesn't send the data on Facebook for some reason. अजीब सी बात है. But we'll see. All right, let's start the focus mode. By the way, the app that you see right here, this is called Focus Doro. So if you go to focusdoro.app, you can actually use it as well. This is also one of my side projects. Pomodoro clock helps with ADHD. आपको भी तो नहीं ADHD? No, I don't think it is specifically for ADHD. It is generally for productivity. So it gives you a good amount of focus time, so you know. तो जिस तरीके से you have a danda on top of your head. Yeah, I'm gonna remove my Facebook channel and then re-add it again. It seems like it's not registering it for some reason. So I'm gonna try to add it again. Give me 1 quick second and then we can start the focus mode. Page, connect Facebook. Thank you. अच्छा ऐसा होगा अब. It's asking me to continue with that. Okay, continue. Oh, okay. Keep. It makes perfect sense. By the way, what do you use for your passwords? आप कहाँ पे सेव करते हो? Do you use a particular application या do you use the same password everywhere? What do you do? Let's see. That's my email. This is my password. Go. Should be able to do it now. All right, let's see. Cool. Let's see if Facebook is. I'm using something called KeyPass. It's really good. It's nice. All I have to do is to remember one password, and that's pretty much it. So that becomes really nice for me. Alright, I'm gonna try to do it from Restream itself. Seems a bit weird. Edit destinations, add channels, go to Facebook page. Code with Ahsan. I think now it's gonna work. So if you want to work, you can look at you can try to look for KeyPass DB or KeyPass, and what it does essentially is it also. Are you sure you want to change? Yes. Cool. आवाज ऊंची कर लें. Is it good now? Is it better now? Let's see if I can increase this much more. No, I think this is the maximum I can go. This should be good. It's not streaming to Facebook at all. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is. चले ये भी ठीक है. Get shareable link. अच्छा फोकस वाली चीज़ से एक काम ये भी हो जाता है कि then I can bind myself कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ या वो कर रहा हूँ. Because right now, as you can see, I'm supposed to work on something, but I'm chatting. Okay, I'm gonna just paste this on Facebook and WhatsApp, और फिर हम चलते हैं. It's amazing, great work. Cool. संतोष ने check कर लिया मेरा talk. That's good. Awesome. Chit chat. और इसको why don't we send to announcements? Let's see. Code with Ahsan. Social media. There we go. Cool. I think we should have more people now. बेहतर ahsan भाई suggest me final project for university. कोई मैनेजमेंट ऐप ना बनाओ, उसके अलावा सब चलेगा. आप देख सकते हो. Try to see if you can work on a shopping scraper या एक ऐसी वेबसाइट which can look for different articles on different websites. जैसे कि for example आप दराज पे देख लो, या फिर आप देख लो दराज या कोई लोकल साइट. आई थिंक एक वो भी है expertleftovers.com पाकिस्तान के अंदर. तो your application can scrape the data from there and then show it on your page, and then you can also keep scraping and then show, for example, something like price drop notifications कि दराज पे ये चीज़ लेट्स से किसी जैसे मैं एज अ यूज़र जो है वो मैं आपकी एप्लीकेशन के अंदर जाके किसी प्रोडक्ट को जो दराज पे बिक रहा है उसको मैं ऐड कर सकता हूँ अपनी विश लिस्ट के अंदर. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से अ पेयर ऑफ शूज़. तो जब मैंने ऐड कर लिया उसको, तो अगर दराज पे वो प्रोडक्ट सस्ता हो जाए तो मुझे नोटिफिकेशन आ जानी चाहिए कि that has become cheaper. So that's one of the things you could do. Scraping data from different pages and then showing price drop notifications. Tech Insider कह रहा है I have as a fresh grad I'm just doing freelancing, should I do a job? Fresh software engineer की पे से ज़्यादा कमा रहा हूँ इसलिए अप्लाई नहीं किया. It depends really. You get different experiences within companies versus freelancing. So in freelance you might not be able to actually do you might not be actually able to learn as much in terms of teamwork and planning and other things. If you're working as a freelancer in a good team, then that's a different story. Then that's good. But if you're working as a solo freelancer on a project, then throughout the years, then you will not get as much exposures to working with a team, resolving conflicts, having arguments, sort of going through those arguments, and also building leadership capabilities as well. So that's something that you get when you actually work in a team. So I hope that makes sense. See the message right here. So if you have any questions, you type them in the chat and we'll take them when we have the time for break. So right now what I'm going to work on is I have a talk already created, but I'm going to refine it to make it more interesting and engaging as well, with some ideas that I've been thinking about. So yeah, let's start the focus mode. Where are you, my Pomodoro clock? There you are. In the meantime, if you want to work on anything, you want to focus on anything, of course you can. I'm gonna turn on the fan as well.